Instagram is one of the best platforms for growing your online audience, building brand visibility, as well as connecting with your community. And with SocialBee, you get a streamlined way to plan, customize, and publish your content without jumping between tools. So here's everything you need to know about posting to Instagram using SocialBee. Let's first talk about the types of Instagram profiles and how you can connect them to SocialBee. Instagram actually offers 3 profile types: personal, creator, and business. In SocialBee, business and creator profiles have the ability to publish directly. They also have the added advantage of offering more analytics than personal profiles do. On the other hand, personal profiles can only post via mobile reminders that we send through the SocialBee companion app to your mobile device. But don't worry, you can switch between profile types at any moment directly from your Instagram settings. To enable direct posting, your account needs to be connected as a business or creator profile, and you can do that one of 2 ways. Directly from Instagram, by logging into your account and connecting it to SocialBee, or through Meta if your Instagram account is connected to a business portfolio and a Facebook page. This last option gives you direct posting as well as access to additional features like analytics, the Engage dashboard, and tagging users in your posts. You can connect or manage your Instagram accounts by heading over to your SocialBee dashboard or from the Social Accounts tab. Now let's talk about creating a post for Instagram. Start in the post editor, select your Instagram profile, and then begin crafting your content. Here's what every good Instagram post needs. First, a compelling caption. Make sure you make it SEO friendly so that Instagram's algorithm can use this to increase visibility. You should aim for a caption length of at least 250 words for good indexing. Make sure you use relevant hashtags, but use them as your keywords, indicating what your post is about, and avoid using ones that are too generic. Optionally, mentions or tags can be used to name your collaborators or subjects of your post. And of course, strong visuals, either images or video. You can post to all 3 Instagram formats through SocialBee, so let's take a closer look at how to use them. First up, we have feed posts. These are typically image posts, whether single image or carousels. Single images are great for delivering a focused message, enhancing your brand presence, or just capturing attention. Use them with a 4:5 aspect ratio, making sure you keep the important information away from the borders. Carousels are making a comeback into Instagram feeds and are great for reaching your existing community as well as generating engagement. Their preferred format is 4:5. And by the way, with carousels, you can add up to 10 images in SocialBee. Next up, we have Reels. These are typically video posts that can either show up on your feed or not, depending on your preference. You can use Reels to boost discoverability. In SocialBee, the maximum duration for Reels is currently 15 minutes. Otherwise, they'll go through the mobile reminders app. Reels typically have a vertical aspect ratio of 9:16. And finally, stories are ideal for temporary updates, polls, or behind-the-scenes content. While you can schedule them directly from SocialBee, you won't be able to have access to stickers that you typically find available when posting natively. If you want to add stickers like open-ended questions or polls, set your post to go out via reminders instead. Stories also typically have a vertical aspect ratio of 9:16. To switch between the different formats in SocialBee, you'll need to click on Customize for each profile and then select the format you prefer. By the way, use Feed and Reels if you want your video to show up on your grid, or just Reels if you prefer having it in the Reels tab alone. This also unlocks other platform-specific features like tagging users in the caption or directly on the visuals, adding collaborators to co-author your post, adding a thumbnail to your reel, and customizing it either from the frames of the video or directly from your computer, adding a location pin, or adding a first comment to your post. Once you've set everything up, save the post and it will publish according to your schedule. If your post is not able to publish directly, you'll see a mobile icon pop up on the editor to let you know about it. In this case, it's important to have SocialBee's mobile app downloaded and notifications enabled so that you can get the alert when it's time to post. This can happen for a few reasons. You might have a personal profile on Instagram, which can only publish through reminders. Your media file might not be the right aspect ratio. Your post might not be in the right format for the media file that you have added. In this case, SocialBee will send you a reminder notification to post manually from your mobile app. When creating your post, keep Instagram's media limitations in mind. For images, they need to be a maximum of 10 megabytes in size using the JPEG or PNG formats with an aspect ratio of 4:5 or square for feed posts or 9:16 for stories. For videos, they need to be a maximum of 100 megabytes MP4 or MOV in format with an aspect ratio of 9:16. The maximum duration for Reels when posting directly is currently 15 minutes. You can find the full details on media types and sizes in our help documentation listed in the description of this video. Oh, and by the way, you can use SocialBee's grid preview to get a visual layout of your upcoming Instagram posts, perfect for planning an aesthetic profile. But social media strategy doesn't stop at posting, so don't forget to look over your analytics from time to time, where you can get insights into post engagement, follower growth, or content performance, among other things. These insights will help you refine your strategy and double down on what's working. And finally, keep the conversation going after you post. With SocialBee, you can view and respond to comments, mentions, and DMs across your Instagram accounts. You can set it all up in the Engage dashboard by creating a board for your Instagram interactions and then adding streams for each type of interaction. And that's it. If you experience issues with any SocialBee features, please reach out to our team at success@socialbee.com.